Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some bacon wrapped chicken lollipops on the Char-Griller Gravity 980. Oh hell yeah, check this out. Grab yourself about a dozen drumsticks and then take the skin off because we're going to be wrapping it in bacon. That skin will not crisp up, so discard that. In cutting the chicken leg, you want to come down about a quarter inch, just above the meat. Cut that, rip that off, cut some of the tendons, and then hit it with a little bit of your favorite rub. I'm using Grillaholics SPG, the twisted version, butter. Oh hell yeah. Now if your chicken drumsticks need a little bit to tack up your rub, hit it with a little oil. Mine were pretty decent, and making it easier is when it's cold to rip off the skin and that on the knuckle, pulling that meat off and cutting the tendons. It's easier when it's cold, although it sucks on your hands. But either way, it makes it easier. Then your grill of choice, get that up to temp, about 325. We're going to be cooking for about 45 minutes to 60, and I'm putting it on a wire rack above a pan because I got bacon and that's just going to drip all over, and I don't want to crush the grill with bacon grease. So make your life a heck of a lot easier. Then on top of it, I'm doing some veg, squash, yellow squash and zucchini with some onion and a little bit of leftover bacon. Dice that up as well, throw it all on top. We're gonna hit it with a little avocado oil, some of that Grillaholics SPG with the butter. Oh hell yeah. So we're about 45 minutes in. Let's take a look. We're using lumped charcoal in the Char-Griller 980, and threw in some chunks of apple or chips of apple wood in the hopper. So let's check this out. Oh yeah. Let's get a close-up.
Give me a hell yeah!
Now I threw some foil underneath the vegetables because that bacon grease is going to drip down and clean up. That sucks. So do yourself a favor, throw something underneath. I was going to put it up on the extra rack that I got for inside the Char-Griller, but I threw it in and then I was like, whatever. It is what it is. So your chicken legs, the drumsticks, you want to get that temp up to at least 165 degrees internal temp. So you want to check that temp, and when it's ready, pull it, let it rest. If you want to hit it with barbecue sauce, whatever you want to do, go ahead, have a damn good time making it your own. This is an easy recipe, super awesome, just time consuming making the lollipop version of the chicken leg. But these drumsticks rock, and way better than a regular drumstick, in my opinion. And I will swear till the end. Oh, hell hell yeah! Bacon wrapped chicken lollipops, oh hell yeah, with some squash and more bacon. Ho, ho, ho. The chicken lollipop is the way to go. Drumsticks, I'm not a big fan of, but this is awesome. Let's give one of these bad boys a taste. So after about an hour and 15 minutes, these chicken lollipops are done. Check the internal temp. You want to hit at least 165. I'm about 170, 175. Oh, look at that. And that you could dunk right into some barbecue sauce or whatever you like on your chicken. Hot honey mustard, whatever. But I'm gonna go at it plain with that Grillaholics SPG with the butter. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Super moist. Cooked to perfection. That light's a little bright, but yeah. Drumsticks kicking ass. Oh hell yeah. Cheers folks. Bam. Whoa. What other way? Man, I want to somehow, I think when you cut these up, you could slide some stuff inside that meat, because you slide the meat down this stick right here. I'm thinking sliding slices of jalapeno and cheese in there. Oh, jalapeno popper chicken lollipop. That might be coming up. Oh, hell yeah. Cheers, folks. Chicken lollipops wrapped in bacon on the Char-Griller 980. Yeah. Any day of the week, this is going to rock. And it takes about an hour and 15 minutes. Can't go wrong. Cheers, folks.
I said give me a hell yeah.